Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus Problem Series, we will solve the integral of secant square of x dx. In order to solve the integral of secant square of x dx, you firstly should know that the derivative of tangent x is equal to secant square of x. So, while solving this integral, you should remember this derivative. If you forget the derivative of tangent x, you should write it as sine x over cosine x and take the derivative by using the quotient rule. Remember the quotient rule. If we have a function f over g and its derivative is equal to f prime g minus g prime f over g square, and we will use this quotient rule here for tangent x, and derivative of sine x over cosine x is the derivative of sine x times cosine x minus derivative of cosine x times sine x over cosine square of x. Okay. Derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x. Cosine x times cosine x minus derivative of cosine x is equal to minus sine x. Then this we have here negative sign and minus sine x, this becomes plus sine x times sine x over cosine x. And this is equal to cosine square of x plus sine square of x over cosine square of x. Cosine square of x. Cosine square of x and sine square of x, when we someday that they will be equal to 1, and this will be equal to 1 over cosine square of x. And we know that 1 over cosine x is secant x. So 1 over cosine square of x is equal to secant square of x. Then this means that the derivative of tangent x is equal to secant square of x. Then since we know that the derivative of tangent x is secant square of x, then we can say that the integral of secant square of x is equal to tangent x. And since we have an indefinite integral here, we will add a constant c here. Okay, in the next lecture we will solve the integral of secant cube x. See you in the next video.